Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video we have a Bloody Lifestyle M90 True Wireless ANC earbuds. I don't know the pricing on these, but I will leave a link in the description for the updated pricing, and I'll put it up somewhere right here. This is Bluetooth 5.1. I got this sent out to me to review. It has wireless charging, Bluetooth 5.1, ANC, pure bass. It also has IP54 water resistance, auto connect, voice connect, low latency mode, which is amazing for gaming or anything like that. So this is really helpful. Now I was really excited because the box is just so very beautiful. I got straight into it and listened to this for like 3-4 days. Currently is replacing my AirPod Pros when I'm not using them because the clarity on these is just really good, non-biased. And once again, I don't know the pricing on this. If it's less than 50, then these are a must grab. If they're above 50, then it's a maybe. Let's get into it. It says hybrid diaphragm, and then it has the listings below. Smarter listen dual mode. So you have gaming and audio mode, so you can choose between those. I did the audio mode, which just helps with higher resolution audio instead of a low latency. And then you have the tapping. You have triple tap to go into voice assistant, long tap to turn on and off for noise cancellation, triple tap to activate audio and gaming dual mode. I didn't really find a huge difference between the A and C because they do have a good noise isolation just from the silicone tips themselves. Let's get straight into it. Like I said, I did open this, so there's no tape. So here's the product. So you have your case here with the nice red rim, red metallic rim, black and red, obviously my favorite colors. It's really nice. Build quality on this is so far pretty good. Also has a little trim right there as well. Pretty nice. And it looks pretty much similar to AirPod Pros. And they have the earbuds right here. Now the earbuds do have a red little details right there. I haven't tested out battery life fully, but so far they are pretty good. Let's get into the rest of the contents. So in here you have the quick start guide. These are Bluetooth 5.1. They do pair fairly quick, and look at this super simple user manual. So you have what's in the box, how to wear these properly, what size silicone tips you can use, medium is pre-applied, how to pair it for the first time, power on connect, reconnect and disconnect, charging modes, and how you can charge them. So it's very simple, and then you have just regulatory information, safety rules, warranty, and stuff like that, cleaning on the back. It's very simple. So the text back here, very well labeled. So this has a 500 milliamp case and a 40 milliamp battery for each earbud. It says on the box, it says that the earbuds should last 4 hours on a single charge, and the case provides an additional 24-hour battery life. It's well labeled right there. And this is pretty much everything else. And then right here you have the content. So right here you have a USB Type-C to USB-A charging cable and some more silicone tips. These are like red and black basically. Looks really nice. That'd been cool if they included different color tips, like maybe some red ones. And since now I did my unboxing video, I don't need to really use the box anymore. You open the case, they're dirty, so I'm just gonna cover it for a bit. And then I will go ahead and test out the wireless charging here. There we go. As you can see, blue light. And they are charging. I don't know if you can see that. They are charging right there. So wireless charging is available. And if you wanted to, you don't have to use the wireless charging if you don't have one. You can just use a direct input for USB Type-C, and you can charge it that way as well. But it's nice to have wireless charging on earbuds. I feel like it's a mandatory thing nowadays. So that's that. Let's go and show you how to pair it. Pretty simple, like all earbuds. You just have to go into Bluetooth, go all the way down. You put them in the case for the first time, take them out, and then let them pair. They'll be on the bottom. But right now, since I already have them connected, they will be connected. Kind of a unique name. It kind of fits the black and red color theme, which I really like because black and red is probably my favorite color of all time. Emphasize on these earbuds real quick. So it's been a few weeks. It's obviously been collecting dust, so there's a good thing and a bad thing. So I figured out the price. I believe it's around $70, which is, I mean, it does seem like a very high quality product for sure. Sound quality, clarity is really good on these. Like I said, they beat AirPod Pros. Comfort is the only downside to this. So if you're taking a shower or jogging, they're not the best, which is for gaming. I've seen someone on a review say that good for gaming. I mean, this is just for my ears, my personal preference. It might fit your ears perfectly, change the silicone tips or whatever, but for me, not the best. But overall, I love these earbuds for sure. Wireless charging on here is good. Sound quality on here is good. ANC on it it's decent. It gets the job done. Low latency mode works really well as well. I did the testing on it. Low latency does help a little bit. Makes it a lot better, but I prefer clarity overall, which is what the gaming and the music mode is for. Music mode is for the overall clarity. But I love this pair of earbuds for sure. If you want to check it out, link is in the description below if you want to purchase it. See you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching. Good for VR headsets for sure.